Hello, my name is Craig Cook, and I'll lawyer the losses of Craig L. Cook and Associates. We have offices in both Arkansas and Oklahoma, and we handle several different types of cases. But today I'm going to talk to you about why is it crucial to preserve evidence of the accident scene and in the aftermath of the tractor-trailer accident. Usually folks have some type of injury which makes it nearly impossible to be able to get out and do anything or preserve any evidence. That's why you want to contact an attorney's office to preserve the evidence. And part of that evidence is that you have electronic devices on the tractor trailer that sets out the braking, the speed, and several other things that allows us to know what actually occurred, the driver was doing right before that accident. There's also evidence in your vehicle that you're driving at the time, as well as the other vehicles that's involved. What types of evidence should you collect or document, such as vehicle damage, skid marks, or road condition? Again, what types of evidence should you collect? And you probably means you're a lawyer, because some of this you're not going to be able to do yourself. So the way this usually happens is once I'm contacted by the client, I go meet with the client, then I meet with the accident reconstructionist on the scene. He or she does measurements on the ground. We also have a drone, and then we do a 3D depiction of how the accident actually takes place. And then the tractor trailer itself, we go and download the data from the tractor trailer. So that's how we collect the types of evidence or documents, such as vehicle damage, skid marks, or road conditions. Next, how can preserving evidence strengthen your potential legal case or insurance claim? If you don't have collection or preserving the evidence, you're not going to be able to have a potential legal case or insurance claim. You've got to show what actually occurred. Even if you have a trucking company, no matter the size, that looks to be 100% fault, until you show them that you're going to be able to show this to a jury, they will not pay you your damages. The more difficult cases seem to be the ones where you have a trucking company that's self-insured up to, say, $1 million. They're least likely to pay you anything in that case. Most of the time, if you have catastrophic cases, in other words, you got death to folks who are had a large economic loss, or had a lot of kids, etc., that makes the damages higher. In order to get to those damages, the maximum damages of that estate or the person who's living is entitled to, you've got to preserve the evidence, because they're not going to turn it over for you unless you go and attempt to preserve it yourself. If you or a family member have been subject to a tractor trailer accident, they passed away, or the estate is trying to find somebody to represent the decedent in regards to a tractor trailer case, contact our office. We have offices in both Arkansas and Oklahoma. You can contact us either by telephone at 479-783-8000. Contact me directly, Craig at lawofficesofcraiglcook.com, or contact us through our website, lawofficesofcraiglcook.com. Thank you.